I believe the economy is the biggest bubble in world history. God have mercy on us all. Robert Kiyosaki tweeted this after sharing some very gloomy-looking outlooks on the health of markets and the economy over the years. With several analysts predicting a looming recession, our video today looks at some of what Robert Kiyosaki believes are your best bets on investment opportunities during a recession. The first thing we will talk about is precious metals, particularly gold and silver, which are popularly known to hedge against inflation and uncertainty because their value is largely unaffected by economic events around the world. Gold is widely viewed as a hedge because it increases in value as the purchasing power of the dollar declines. Kiyosaki believes that as an investor, times like this require that you look toward precious metals. He argues that gold and silver will rally in the upcoming years, generating more yield for investors. Kiyosaki first purchased gold in 1972, saying, "I'm not buying gold because I like gold, I'm buying gold because I don't trust the Fed." Note that nothing in this video constitutes professional advice. Diligently do your research before investing. Through 2021 and into 2022, gold has fared relatively better than other precious metals and has had a fairly consistent price, although it went down about 9%, and silver also dropped nearly 20%. Although the finance guru prefers physical holdings of precious metals, if you want to spare yourself the trouble of having to safely store your investment by vaulting it at home or putting it in a safe deposit box, you can add to your portfolio by buying exchange-traded funds focusing on precious metals. Yet still, he offers another alternative against the US dollar: the ever-famous crypto industry. Let's give you more details in a bit.
That is shocking. There's actually money in there?
With current inflation, the prices of food and livestock are going up. Kiyosaki notes that amid the economic crisis and shortage of supply, prices of food are going up. He suggests that investors look into food and livestock, assets that are never going out of demand. The dairy products market ranked within the top 7% of the Zacks universe, which shows that the industry is indeed pulling its weight. The same is with Lifeway, a dairy product company that recorded positive returns from December 2021 to September 28, even as other major indices fell. Kiyosaki expects that Lifeway will gain from improvements in business dynamics and will record even higher returns. Do you share his belief? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Next, let's look at the crypto industry. Robert Kiyosaki is of the firm belief that pension funds are a catalyst for Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency. He shares in a tweet, "Pension funds are the biggest investment business in the world. Your state pension is now gambling on cryptocurrency. Owning Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and all the other cryptocurrencies could help you protect yourself against the US dollar." He argues that big declines always present an opportunity to buy in the dip. Smart investors don't panic or get emotional when prices drop. They are patient and wait to buy the dip, he says. Assets and commodities are not the only opportunities investors are presented with. Kiyosaki goes on to introduce something interesting: a side hustle. We'll take you more deeply into that shortly.
Conflict resolved! Conflict resolved!
While it is not entirely advisable to invest in oil, because commodities like oil may be extremely volatile for your wallet, your portfolio will probably look better if your investments have some level of exposure to the energy sector. Higher oil prices mean you pay more for gas. With that being said, you can invest in oil as well, but tread cautiously. As we continue to bring you all the information on your best investment opportunities during this period, subscribe to this channel for all the latest updates. Gold, silver, and Bitcoin may protect your wealth, but not your income. A side hustle may provide you income, something you get paid for doing in addition to your full-time job, he says. A side income is quite important if you're looking to generate as much income as possible, even during times such as this. Kiyosaki advises that it is not enough to have a full-time job or even make investments in all the right assets if you do not have a side income. You can earn extra income to offset some responsibilities and use the other available income to boost your investment portfolio.
Oh, wow.
With predictions of an impending recession, Robert Kiyosaki's best bets include cryptocurrency, precious metals, oil, and of course adding to your income by working a side job as well. Every investor should decide on whether to invest in times like this and what to invest in. In our video on which currency is going to dominate the world after the recession, find out more on how to hedge yourself and your earnings within the next couple of months or probably years, who knows. Thanks for watching our video. We will come your way again some other time.